Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get active members in your Discord server. So let's get right into it. So the first way I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep people coming back is honestly announcements. So with announcements, people, you gotta like have multiple announcements every week. Soundrout here, what he does is he posts an announcement multiple times a week to keep people to have updates about the server and keep things from being different and having new releases all the time. So as you can see right here, just recently, yesterday or the day before yesterday, he released new changes to high level rules. So you see he has new updates, server updates. So he has server updates a lot. He announces his YouTube channel here, and he does a ton of other stuff that keep people coming back, keep people being active. Now, one thing that you don't really need once you have a lot of members, because they will be doing it for you, but it's you need to interact too. So why would anyone interact with a server if no one else is doing it? So what you have to do is keep that going. Keep making conversations with people that are online. Don't tag them, because that can be annoying, but be like, yo, what's up? Hey, how you doing? You know, just random people that are online. Try to get a conversation with them. They'll keep coming back, you'll keep coming back, they'll get more people to join. It's just that simple, and so many people don't do that. That's why it's so hard to understand that that's one of the best ways to keep growing and keep servers being active. So the next thing to do to have an active Discord server is to have giveaways. You might not be rich, you might not be like a YouTuber that can make $1 million, or like you might not have an income, but giveaways of any kind, it doesn't have to be paid. So this guy right here, one of the best ones to do it is a paid one, but you don't have to have a paid one. You see Discord Nitro Classic, you see he's like giving away all the time, dude, all the time. August 8th, see he has a new one at like once a week, I think, or I think it might even be once a day, but it's a lot of times a week. He doesn't even give away that much, but it's fun that he does this. And if you don't have any money to give away, you can give away roles. Have a role that unlocks a certain part of a Discord server, so like a certain section for giveaway winners or something. It's really that fun to do that because people want to interact, people want to win the giveaway so they can talk to people in that part of the Discord server that they can't always. Now you see right here, the third way that I'm going to show you guys how to keep people coming back, keep it active, is to have fun channels, fun like games that people can do, interact with their fellow Discord mates. So you see here, they have Simon Says, public Simon Says, so people can play Simon Says with each other, people can be the Simon, people can make up their own rules, and then there's a bot that does this for them, and it eliminates them. So it's really just that fun that it does that, and you can set this up really easily, and it just keeps people coming back, because who doesn't want to play a game of public Simon Says? And another one here is just games, bot games. So you see here, work, you see all this, right? I want to do this, I want to interact with this, wouldn't you? It's really fun to keep a community of people that have a ton of money in a video game. You know, you play video games, right? Wouldn't you want to play a video game on Discord where you're talking to other people? That would be so much fun. See, that's why people come back. This is another thing that's very clever. It's for new players or new members. You get one message and you get to send one message, and that's it. So like you can have conversations with people that literally only you can talk once. So you say one thing, see this person, they said one thing, and that's the only thing they're ever going to be able to say besides admins. And then here, another one of these games, it's counting. You count to the highest number. This channel's almost at 500,000. So think about that. People want to come back to keep the number going, you know. That seems like a lot of fun. I want to do that. You want to do it. Keep the number going. Get it to 1,000,000. Voice chats. So here in voice chats, you want to have a ton of voice chats for people to talk to each other. If your server's small, you don't need as many voice chats, but see, there's people streaming right now and you can watch the stream. People like play games with each other, you know, they talk to each other. It's a lot of fun, and that's why people keep coming back to form communities. And that's the whole point of Discord, to form communities with friends and get to know each other. Now, another way, this is on another channel or another Discord server, Meme Plaza, people have self-rules, and you might think, yeah, I have self-rules, but doesn't keep people active. You gotta change the self-rules, you gotta add new ones. So, which animal do you like more? Which hand do you write with? You know, just like, this is another one that I like, Team Red and Team Blue. I love that idea, and you see right here, there's like special channels for the people in Team Blue or Team Red to talk to each other. You can see like, Team Red sucks, you know, things like that. It's really fun to interact and have fun with that. Now you see down here, over where my mouse is pointing, there's a lot of games for this person to play. There's also another thing that I didn't talk about is levels. You want to have a level thing that makes people level up, and then when they are leveled up, they get special ranks, you see. And then counting, this person also has counting, but this counting bot makes it so you can't count a different number. You see this, they're already at 367, which is a huge number. That's one of the biggest I've seen in a long time. And then this person says 268, it ruins it all. See, that's another way to do it. It's really funny to see people mess it up, and then they have to restart again at 1. Self-promotion is a good way to keep people coming back, but you gotta make it have a slow mode so people just don't keep self-promoting themselves. It just gets annoying, so don't have too many. Here's 2 idle miners that you can just play a game and you can have some fun. It looks like a lot like Minecraft, where you can store items and you can buy things and buy upgrades to your pickaxe, where you can keep mining, you know. And then the same thing, but another bot. Just have multiple of these. It's going to be really fun to interact with that. Have multiple bots that you have, like, things to do with, things to buy, things to sell, give money away, you know. And once again, another bot, Taco Shack. It looks like you have your own taco shack and you sell and make tacos. You make money to buy taco upgrades. Seems like a lot of fun. I'm going to try this out soon. And then fishing. A lot of servers have AFK fishing, where you can like fish. It's just another game that you fish instead of mining. You can upgrade your fishing rod. It's really fun to do on your spare time, and it keeps people coming back, interacting with it, and making friends talk in the Discord server. And the last one in this one is Talk to Jarvis, and it looks like a lot of fun because you can like talk to a bot, and you say something and it says something back. You see right here. He says, "How old are you?" and he says, "Older than you." See, it has like sensible questions and answers. It's just funny that you can talk to people, and I find that really fun. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of this type of content, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want to have your server showcased, I can review it, I can show all the cool things about it, promote it, comment your Discord username, and I'll message you, or you send me your Discord link, and I go and review it, or whatever. Yeah. All of the servers I showcase, the 2, Sounds World and Meme Plaza, I will link in the description so you guys can go check it out. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And turn on those post notifications so you can be notified when part 4 comes out. Once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time I upload.